also produced a really funny documentary about Slab City where I interview people as the Old Man Vegas showgirl.
Slab City! The junkiest retirement community in America!
You should check it out. Click the link above or in the description. Maybe we go to the desert because we are thirsty. Thirsty for a sense of community. Thirsty to belong to something bigger than ourselves. Longing for that human connection that comes when we overcome the hardships of a wasteland. Maybe in the wasteland we find the last free place where we can be ourselves, cut loose and screw some stuff up. A safe space where we can feel okay being screw-ups. One thing is for sure, when we come together we create something magical, and no video could ever recreate that magic. I'll see you guys there.